Hello everyone, welcome to our unboxing video of the new BattleFlex Mini. Today we're going to cover all of the different components, and you can check out our next video in the playlist with Chris the Battle to figure out how to shoot a point outside. So we're just starting out by pulling off the sleeve, opening the box, and you will get your case with the Flex Mini inside, as well as the Let's Get Started card that will have more information about how you can get this set up, or you can just follow our YouTube playlist here. So we're just going to pop open the case by unzipping it. We're going to have a USB-C cable, that's the new standard. That's going to be included along with your kit, but you might already have one. And we also have our Flex Mini right here with a lanyard attached. So the top of the unit is going to be our antenna. Front's going to be the screen with our 3 lights indicating what mode it's in. Our left is going to be our power button and our back button. We have our USB-C port at the back, and then finally our up and down arrows along with the enter button on the right. Check out our BattleFlex Mini playlist on YouTube to discover more.